if you are receiving social security benefits or you are planning to apply soon, then April 2025 brings some big changes that you can't afford to ignore. While you have just gotten used to your 2.5% cost of living adjustment COLA that took effect back in January. Well, new developments are about to impact millions of Americans. Some are beneficial, while others could be a bit of a hassle or even hit your wallet. If you are new to the channel and a social security recipient, please subscribe for more news and updates on social security. Well, let's break down the four critical social security rule changes taking effect in April 2025. Explain who's impacted and what you should do right now to stay ahead. Well, the number one is bigger checks for millions, and thanks to the Social Security Fairness Act. One of the most significant changes comes from a historic policy update. In his final days in office, President Joe Biden signed the Social Security Fairness Act, which eliminated two controversial provisions, the GPO and the WEP. These rules previously reduced Social Security benefits for those who also received pensions from jobs not covered by Social Security, such as the firefighters, police officers, public school teachers, and other state or local government workers. According to the Congressional Budget Office, this impact has estimated 3.2 million beneficiaries, including the number one are retired workers and spouses receiving dependent benefits, and the widows and the widowers receiving survivor benefits. Many of these individuals are already receiving a one-time retroactive payment in March 2025, covering the period since December 2023. But the big change comes in April 2025, when their monthly benefits will permanently increase. Here's what it's look like. The retired workers, there is an increase of approximately $360 per month on average. The spousal beneficiaries will get approximately $700 per month on average, and the third one is widows and widowers, that they will get an increase of $1,190 per month on average. There is an important note that some more complex claims are still being reviewed manually by the Social Security Administration. If your April check looks the same as March, even though you believe you are eligible under this act, don't worry and don't wait. Contact the Social Security directly to ensure your case is reviewed. The second one is stricter identity verification starting April 14, 2025. To protect against identity theft and fraudulent claims, the Social Security Administration SSA is tightening security protocols starting April 14, 2025. These new rules are designed to safeguard your personal information, but they'll also affect how you interact with Social Security. What's changing? The answer is if you are using your My Social Security online account to update basic information like changing your address or updating your bank account information, you are good. No changes there. But if you are applying for Social Security benefits or requesting changes to your benefits through paper forms or over the phone, then you will now be required to visit a Social Security office in person to show a valid ID before your request is processed. Exceptions apply. This rules does not apply if you are applying for number one Medicare, number second is disability benefits, and number third is a supplemental security income, that is SSI. The SSA has an online field office locator tool. This is especially important because some offices have closed in 2025, and you might need to find a new location. So double check before you go. Well, here is a pro tip that if you haven't already created a My Social Security account, you will go through an identity verification process once, and after that, you will be able to securely manage your benefits online without needing to visit an office. Well, the third rule is, and the third change is a faster uh, direct deposit changes, now just one business day. Well, in the past, updating the bank account where you receive your social security payments could take up to 30 days. It's a long time, especially if you are closed to an old account or switched banks starting in April 2025. That wait time is being cut dramatically. Now, your new direct deposit information will take effect in just one business day. Well, how to update your information? The answer is log in to your My Social Security account and make the change online, or call the SSA to request the update, but only until April 14, 2025. After that, the new ID verification rules kick in, and you may need to appear in person if you are not using the online account. This is a major win for those who want faster access and less stress during bank transition. Well, the fourth one is back to full overpayment recovery. 100% rule returns. Mistakes happen even at the Social Security Administration. When they do, and you are overpaid, the government has the right to recover that money from future checks. In 2024, the Biden administration capped overpayments recovery to $10 or 10% of your monthly checks, whichever was higher. That means retirees didn't suddenly lose a big chunk of their income if a mistake occurred, but starting March 27, 2025, under the new Trump administration, the SSA is reinstating the old policy, 100% recovery rate for new overpayments. What that means, the answer is if you were accidentally overpaid, even if it wasn't your fault, your entire check can be withheld until the overpayment is fully recovered. For example, let's say your usual benefit is $2,000 per month. 1 month, you get $3,000 over to an error due to an error under the new rule. You could receive $0 for the following month, with the full $2,000 withheld to recover that $1,000 mistake. Exceptions. Here are some exceptions and protections. The number one is overpayments that occurred before March 27, 2025 will still follow the 10% recovery cap. The second one is a supplemental security income SSI overpayments will still follow the 10% rule. The third one is you can appeal the overpayment or request a lower recovery rate based on a financial hardship. And the fourth one is if the overpayment wasn't your fault and you can't afford to repay, you may be able to get it waived altogether. Social Security is going through some major transformations in 2025, whether it's bigger checks, tighter security, faster updates, or a tougher overpayment policies. It's essential to stay informed and take action when needed. Well, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with someone who relies on Social Security. And if you have any question, or drop them in the comments, I'll surely answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching.